Every crispy samosa begins its journey long before it reaches the fryer.
Precision starts at the door, where quality ingredients enter the process. Only flour meeting strict standards moves forward. Bulk vegetables are handled quickly to preserve freshness. Industrial washing removes soil before any cooking begins. Human inspection adds a final layer of quality control. Uniform cuts ensure even cooking at scale. Flavor is engineered through precise spice control.
Exact measurements keep every batch consistent.
Automation moves raw materials without contamination. Before mixing begins, machines are carefully checked.
The filling process starts with controlled heat.
This is where samosas gain their signature taste.
With ingredients prepared, production moves to shaping.
The samosa shell begins with carefully controlled dough mixing.
Texture determines crispness long before frying.
Once approved, dough moves immediately to shaping.
Uniform portions keep every samosa identical.
Pressure transforms dough into thin pastry sheets. Micron-level adjustments define final crunch.
Length and width are balanced for perfect folding.
Moisture control keeps pastry flexible.
Even invisible flaws are detected here.
Precision cutting prepares the shell.
Alignment ensures flawless folding. Accuracy begins with perfect alignment. Technology guards consistency at scale.
Surface control prevents cracks.
Before frying, timing is everything.
Clean oil ensures clean flavor.
The moment of transformation approaches.
Heat turns craftsmanship into crisp perfection.
Controlled heat begins the crisping process. Temperature stability protects texture and flavor. Even exposure creates uniform crispness.
Color signals the science of doneness.
Continuous filtration keeps oil pure.
Steam release locks in crunch.
Excess oil is removed immediately. Draining preserves light texture. Experienced eyes confirm perfection. Only golden results continue. Cooling stabilizes the crust.
Internal balance prevents sogginess. Cooling completes the fry phase.
Sound confirms structure.
Now crisped, samosas move toward final handling.
Vision systems verify uniform geometry.
Weight confirms proper filling.
Human judgment adds final assurance.
Every pack begins with an exact count. Precision alignment prevents breakage.
Every batch is digitally recorded.
The product now approaches its final form. Packaging begins with branded protection.
Traceability follows every samosa.
Timing aligns product with packaging.
Clean seals ensure freshness.
Clean seals ensure freshness.
Oversight maintains standards.
Now, protection meets product.
This is where samosas become shelf-ready.
Heat transforms film into protection.
Oxygen is replaced to lock in crunch. Every package is sealed airtight.
Precision cutting completes each pack. Freshness is scientifically verified.
Stability ensures shelf life. Brand consistency is maintained.
Human touch confirms machine accuracy.
Every pack is traceable.
Primary packs now prepare for bulk handling.
Orientation prevents transit damage.
Secondary protection is formed.
Packaging enters its final stage.
Automation packs with speed and care.
Weight confirms internal accuracy.
Only compliant cartons proceed.
Structure is locked in place.
Seals are bonded for transport.
Pressure completes the seal.
Identification follows every box.
Information accuracy is essential.
Stacking patterns prevent collapse.
Each layer reinforces the last. The load reaches full height. Protection continues beyond packing. Wrapping secures the entire load. Tension creates transport-ready strength. The load is sealed from all sides.
Now the product enters logistics.
Storage bridges production and delivery.
Finished products await their journey to consumers.
Digital tracking ensures every pallet is accounted for.
Verification completes the storage process.
Organized aisles streamline retrieval.
Planning ensures timely deliveries.
Every shipment leaves on schedule.
Checks prevent in-transit damage.
Products enter logistics with care.
Secure transport preserves quality.
Inventory and logistics complete the production cycle.
Finished products leave for markets near and far.
Every shipment is verified before departure.
Each delivery is a promise of quality.
Distribution connects factory to consumers.
Digital tracking ensures accurate stock levels.
Products are now ready for consumers. Factory output is secured and organized.
Logistics ensures continuous flow.
And this is how modern factories produce crispy samosas from start to finish.
From raw ingredients to packaged perfection, the process is complete.